Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can delete a PayPal account and create a new one. Now this is very easy and quick. What you need to do, guys, you want to log into your PayPal account if you still have access to that PayPal. Now after you log in, guys, let me just enter here my password, and then you want to click on log in. Now what you need to do, guys, you can do the same steps, by the way, on your iPhone or Android phone. Now after you log in into your PayPal account, you want to click on this gear in the top right, and then it will take you guys to this page. You just need to scroll down at the very bottom. You want to click on close your account. Now it will take you guys to this page. It will say like, are you sure you want to close your account? But before you close your account, make sure you don't have any balance inside your PayPal. If you have a balance on your PayPal, you want to withdraw that money to your bank account, or you can send it to your friend before closing your account. Now after you are sure that you don't have a balance on your PayPal, you want to click on close account. Now make sure you are sure that you want to close the account, because the moment you click on close account, your account will be deleted permanently. And then after you delete the account, you just need to log in, you just need to create another account. Okay, enter the exact same information. You can enter your name, your email address, the same information, and then you can create a new PayPal account. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next one.